Let me show you all motions and gestures available on OPPO Reno 15 Pro. So in order to find most of these gestures, we just have to go to Settings, scroll down to Accessibility and Convenience, and then in here we need to find Gestures and Motions. Now once you go over here, you should be able to find, for example, Screen Off Gestures. So you can draw shapes on the screen when it's off in order to activate something. Of course, these Screen Off Gestures have to be enabled, so you have to manage them over here. And also you can create your own shortcuts or gestures or motions over here. So you can choose if you want to open a specific app or do something from here, if you draw like one of these available shapes. Besides that, we have swipe down with 3 fingers to take a screenshot, and also touch and hold with 3 fingers to take a screenshot. We can also activate the flashlight with volume button, the volume down button if you press and hold it, if you are when the screen is off actually. Then there are also the air gestures where we can control calls over here, and we can, for example, scroll on social media over here. All of these options have to be enabled, and you also have the learn gestures option, so your phone can teach you how to use those gestures. And a couple of motions like raise to wake, lift to ear to answer calls, auto switch to receiver, flip to mute incoming calls, and shake to launch, which seems to be quite new on OPPO smartphones. And we can set it up to activate the flashlight or camera. Besides that, we can also find a couple of different things, like for example many different ways to activate the split view or split screen. Over here you can swipe through these options in order to find out how to activate the split view. We can do the same thing with floating window. You can see how to activate floating window by swiping through all of these options. And we can also find the quick launch option. The quick launch option allows you to touch and hold your finger on the sensor, and then without lifting your finger you can quickly open or activate something that is related to an app of your choice. Over here we can of course customize this menu, and you can choose what functions or what apps should be added in here. So then you can press and hold your finger when you unlock your phone, and then just swipe towards the option that you want to open or activate, or app of course. Now, besides that, we should also be able to find the content portal, which previously was known drag and drop. It is also available over here. And let's see if there is something more that I might have missed. I think that's pretty much it in this menu, in these settings I mean. But besides that, we can actually find a little bit more if we go to System and Update, and then choose System Navigation. Then in here we can find Digital Assistant from Google, which is available for both buttons and the gestures. You can swipe from the bottom left or bottom right corner inwards to activate the Digital Assistant. Besides that, we can also go to Home Screen, Lock Screen and Style, and we can swipe up in here in order to go to the home screen settings. And then here in this menu you can also find a couple of gestures, like the icon pull down gesture, where you can swipe from the left or right side of the phone to pull down icons, so you can open any app from the home screen of your choice without lifting your finger. There is also the swipe down gesture, which by default is used to activate global search, but we can also switch it to shelf, or we can turn off this swipe and just activate notifications or quick settings panel. And also the double tap empty space to lock screen. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.